Is there. In Kannada.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
English-Kannada. Welcome. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun, smart path to languages. Thanks for tuning in. Grab your curiosity and a smile. For extra practice packs and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your magic key is the Kannada question, is there.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Your goal today. In just minutes, you'll ask for what you need anywhere, confidently and politely. Your mission. Use.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
To find rooms, seats, Wi-Fi, vegan options, basically to unlock the universe of availability. Raise your eyebrows a little as you ask, it even helps your tone. Quick forms at a glance. Let's collect the tiny toolkit you'll use all the time. Question, is there.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Statement, there is.
ಇದೆ.
Negation, there isn't.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Isn't there.
ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
Do you have.
ಇದೆನಾ?
Available.
ಲಭ್ಯ.
Mirror trick. Statement.
ಇದೆ.
Becomes question.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
By adding the rising ending. Mini scenes you'll actually use. Time to act it out, short, real, and slightly silly. Hotel counter, you, as there. A free room. In Kannada.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Staff smiles.
ಹೌದು, ಇದೆ.
On the bus, you whisper, as there. A seat. Kannada.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Driver shrugs.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Stand-up surfing it is. Before ordering, you check, as there. A vegan option. Kannada.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Server thinks, then.
ಲಭ್ಯ.
Today, lucky you. Rhythm drill. Clap it in, your mouth remembers what your mind practices with rhythm. Pattern. Clap clap, ask, pause.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Clap clap, answer.
ಇದೆ.
Clap clap, negate.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Try 3 rounds now.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ.
Bonus twist, isn't there.
ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
Use it when you suspect it should exist. Culture tip. Market magic. In Bengaluru's lively markets, polite tone is everything, smile plus a tiny head tilt. Ask vendors with a friendly rise.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
If you want to be extra clear, add available by saying, is it available? Combine your question with.
ಲಭ್ಯ.
Or go more personal, do you have.
ಇದೆನಾ?
Your eyebrows and an open palm are your best sidekicks. Pop quiz. Quick fire, trust your ear and answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask, is there, in Kannada? A.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Q2. Which one is not a question?
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
Or.
ಇದೆ.
Answer.
ಇದೆ.
Q3. You hear in a shop.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
What does it mean, is there, correct? Silly memory hack. Make it stick with a goofy picture, your brain loves weird. Mnemonic. Idea sounds like, idea. Imagine a giant light bulb popping on as you ask.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Loci trick. At your front door, you ask your keys.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Humor boost. You open the fridge like a detective and whisper.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Is there any cheese or only mystery? Your 30-second challenge. Ready to level up? Keep it playful and practical. Around your home, ask 3 things out loud. Is there Wi-Fi? Is there coffee? Isn't there chocolate? Do it in Kannada.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Then confirm with.
ಇದೆ.
Or deny with.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Bonus. Try.
ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
And.
ಇದೆನಾ?
Wrap up. Nice work. You just unlocked a high-value phrase for real life. Today you learned the core availability set.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲವೇ? ಇದೆನಾ?
And.
ಲಭ್ಯ.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and when in doubt, ask. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, downloads, and community, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.